What's going on, YouTube? Corey Guns is back with another one. You guys see the thumbnail, you see the title, you see what's going on. Just all the car heads out there. Yes, I'm repping Cobb today. It's just one of those days. I don't know if you can really see that, but it's just one of those days where, like last night, I was laying there and I'm just thinking about everything that's going on. And in bad times, there's always good. Did I say that right? Bad times, there's always going to be good times. And I was just going on YouTube looking at all the Cobb videos and just the things that bring happiness to me. Man, I miss that guy, man. Like, I didn't know him, but I felt like I did. I've watched so many games. I've been to so many games. Staples Center, Oracle. I've been to a bunch of games. I went to this game right here. This was his...
In 1 mile, turn right onto East Highway Fern.
Killing my vibe. Anyways, I went to this game where they retired both of his jerseys, 8 and 24. I didn't go to his last game, which I missed that for sure. But I know you guys get tired of seeing me here talking, but I just want to I try to always shed some type of positivity to you guys, because there's always going to be haters out there that bring negative energy to you, and that's just motivation. That's all that is motivation. So always remember that. Stay positive. 2020 ain't over. It's just getting started. Yeah, we're going through a pandemic. It's tough, but things will get better, man. Things will get better. It's a little small talk. I know they said this might come back.
At the stop sign, turn right onto East Highway Fern.
I know they said this might come back until winter, but let's just all be safe. I know some people are going back to work, so just be safe. Keep social distancing. Do what you can to do your part. We're going to do our part. I got my mask, so, you know, it's all we can really do, you know? So let's get to it. Is it recording? We live? Oh, yeah, we're live. All right, as you can see, 2019 WRX Subaru. So it's Cobb Stage 1, correct?
Yeah, technically.
Cobb Stage 1, intake install. I'm not going to give you guys the whole process that we go through, because when we do stuff, it's never easy. It's always seems easy. The instructions are easy, but it takes twice the time. So I'm giving it to you guys easy, quick. It's been about 6 hours so far. It's been about 6 hours. Realistically, like 15 minutes. Just kidding. I don't know the time frame. But anyways, the intake's out. Kind of walk you through a little bit real quick. So this stays, that's for the intercooler itself, but the intake stuff is here. That's all the stuff that you need to take off. The stock snorkel, the box, the filter, the top piece. Looks really easy, but it's not. So let me get under here real quick. You must take off this shield. You don't have to take it fully off, just take it off enough to get down. The little turbo right there. Little baby turbo. That's a big spider web I didn't see before. And it connects right here. And that's where you have to get to. So you cannot get to this without taking this down. There's about 10,000 little tabs, couple screws, 12 millimeter. And that's about it. And I'll see y'all in a little bit. Terrible. But anyways, this mass airflow connector must be on in order to connect the mass airflow sensor next to the filter, the box, and we should be done.
It needs to go an inch on.
In a snap of a finger, you will see all the mechanics and all the parts installed. That's all it takes is a snap of a finger. That's how fast we are. That is it. Gotta have the Cobb. Where's the big boy? There she is. Main piece to the puzzle. Gotta have that. I'm gonna show you guys the final product. When you see it, we will be done. And then I'll give you guys the walk around after and then driving. So that's it. Ready? The Cobb intake is installed. There's about 5 hex screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to use this from the stock box. There's 2 tabs that go there, and that's everything that gets installed. And then, as you've seen, the intake system sitting there, the filter, piping goes down to the bottom. I have to put all the screws and tabs back into this, And then while I'm doing that, Tyler is installing the Cobb. And that's the last part. Get that bad boy installed. OBD2, set the tune. She's running. No check engine lights, because we are pros. Cobb is running. Let's give her a whoosh. See what happens. Oh yeah. Don't worry about that, it's nighttime now. It's definitely doing something.
That first to second was good.
It felt better?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Watch, I can just go straight to second. Never been this way before, so. See boost.
They're on point two. The Cobb shows about the same as what that's
Can you see
showing.
over there?
Yeah. Showed 14. Sounds good.